Hey there, welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. In this video, we are going to answer the million-dollar question about how chemical engineering impacts your everyday life. So do watch the video till the very end to find out that how much of your life is actually influenced by chemical engineering. And if you do enjoy it, then remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. Let's begin. Number 5 on our list is the electronics and technology. Your smartphone is basically a showcase of chemical engineering, believe it or not. Take the lithium-ion battery, for example. Engineers create the cathode materials through solid-state reactions, produce high-purity electrolytes through solvent purification, and coat electrodes using controlled deposition techniques. All of this is done so by chemical engineers. The manufacturing pathway ensures that the battery charges fast, lasts long, and stays safe for everyone that is using them. At the same time, semiconductors, they follow an even more intricate process, where chemical engineers grow ultra-pure silicon crystals, etch microscopic circuits, and deposit thin films atom by atom. Even the screen and plastic casings come from engineered polymers designed for clarity, toughness, and heat resistance. And therefore, no doubt, surprisingly for some people, that without chemical engineering, modern electronics simply wouldn't exist in the form that we know them today. The thing number 4 on our list is transportation and fuel. Every single time you get into a car, you are relying on dozens of chemical engineering pathways. Take gasoline, for example. Crude oil enters a refinery and goes through distillation, where it is separated into fractions based on boiling point. The gasoline fraction then undergoes catalytic cracking or reforming, reaction processes that break large molecules into smaller, more useful ones while improving octane ratings. Chemical engineers also carefully add controlled blends of detergents, ethanol, and stabilizers to make the fuel burn even more cleaner and efficiently. Even electric vehicles depend on chemical engineering, from producing lithium salts for batteries to synthesizing the polymers used in lightweight car components. Hence, therefore, your daily commute is literally powered by carefully controlled chemical engineering principles. Number 3 on our list is clean water and sanitation. Every clean glass of water involves a full chemical engineering treatment pathway. Water plants start by adding coagulants that bind tiny particles together, followed by flocculation tanks that gently mix the water so the particles form larger clumps. These settle out in sedimentation basins before the water flows through sand or membrane filters. Afterwards, chemical engineers calculate precise doses of disinfectants like chlorine, ozone, or UV treatment to eliminate bacteria and viruses. They also ensure that the water's pH and mineral balance are safe to use for pipes and people. And this engineered process runs 24/7 throughout the year, turning raw river or groundwater into water that you can easily drink safely every single day. Number 2 on our list is the food you eat. Almost everything you eat has been touched by chemical engineering at some point. Consider something as simple as packaged orange juice. Chemical engineers extract the juice, pasteurize it using controlled heat exchange, remove microorganisms through filtration, and stabilize flavor compounds using preservatives or controlled acidity. And only by doing all this can you finally enjoy a cold, chilled glass of orange juice. Even the packaging itself, those multi-layered cartons, is engineered to block oxygen and light so the juice stays fresh longer. Whether it's cereal being extruded and dried, snacks undergoing controlled dehydration, or flavors being created through reaction pathways, chemical engineers make sure that food is safe, consistent, and available on a global scale. Without these processes, feeding millions or even billions of people reliably would be nearly impossible. And finally, the thing at number 1, the products that you use every morning. From the moment you wake up, chemical engineering is already shaping your day. Take something as simple as toothpaste. Chemical engineers develop the formulation by balancing abrasives that clean your teeth, humectants that prevent the paste from drying out, and surfactants that create the foam and fluoride compounds that strengthen enamel. Behind the scenes, chemical engineers design, mixing, heating, and cooling steps to ensure that every tube has the right texture and stability. Even your soap and shampoo follows a very similar process pathway, starting with raw materials like fatty acids or surfactants, which go through reactions, purification steps, and quality testing before reaching your bathroom shelf. It's a full mini factory behind every single morning routine that you have. So these were the top 5 ways that chemical engineering impacts your every single day life. And we really hope that you enjoyed the video, and remember to learn more about chemical engineering life at www.chemicallife.com. And also do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.